Welcome to the final of the first edition of the Great Four Seasons Group Bake Off. This is a really exciting event for us because it's the culmination of an enormous amount of hard work in our kitchens. So today we're going to see who's the cream of the crop. So you've got 3 hours to create your perfect creation, but in true Great Bake Off style, we have to say, ready, steady,
bake!
So the judges, during their time walking around the kitchen, they're looking at 4 key elements that they're actually marking on. So that's appearance of the cake, it's going to be the work ethic that's adopted by the bakers, and also it's going to be, of course, texture and taste. The chefs are giving us some lovely backstories about these cakes being inspired by the residents themselves, recipes that have been passed down through the generations. They're working alongside each other and they're really putting their all into this.
So the cake I'm going to try and cook today is a chocolate chili and beetroot cake. It all came together from talking to 4 different residents. 2 of them like spicy food, 1 adores beetroot and 1 adores chocolate.
I've never done it before, so it's a great thing for me to do, and I'm very, very nervous.
It's a 3-tiered cake that looks a bit wonky, totally savvy and tastes absolutely fantastic.
My colleagues and residents, even those who don't like sweet too much, they said it's very nice.
So I picked this cake because the residents really enjoyed the lemon, and with Remembrance Day coming up, the poppies go in with the theme of that as well.
Food and dining is a really important part of a resident's daily life. It's a critical part of life in our care homes, and this competition has given us the opportunity to showcase the talents that we've got across our kitchens in the group. I know already that some of the cakes have been inspired by our residents and their relatives and members of the team, so there's going to be some really exciting stuff on the show.
The 3rd place goes to a brighter kind chef from the Lawns, Wayne. Jamie, happy to award you 2nd place on this occasion. I'm absolutely delighted to announce the winner is Carol Scott.